All right, so for this study link 8.1, we are looking at perimeter. And please remember, perimeter is the distance around a shape. So not to be confused with area, which is an area is how much space does a shape take up. Perimeter is the distance around. So you're just adding up all the different measurements around the shape. So here we have, you're going to have 5 plus 3 is 8, and 3 more is going to be 11, and then you have 2 plus 1, which is 3, and 3 more, which is 6. That would be about 11 plus 6, and the answer is going to be the perimeter, 17 feet. Now here, what is the perimeter of this triangle? And they're actually trying to trick you here because they're giving you a number you don't need. Okay, what is the distance around this triangle? So you're only adding these 3 numbers. You're not adding the height, just the outside, so don't get tricked there. Next up is asking you to draw some rectangles. And this is giving you the points of the rectangle. This is a little bit of review from a while ago, but each point should be one of these letters. Same over here. And the perimeter is 16 centimeters, so label the lengths. So first make a rectangle and label the points, and be aware it needs to go around that direction, B-L-U-E, or I could do it this way, it's fine too. But now the perimeter has to be 16 centimeters, so I need to just choose a couple numbers and try out something. So why don't I say these sides are going to be 6. So if you add that up, there's going to be 12, and the other sides can only be 4 together. So that means they're each half of 4, like that. And let's see if that works. 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So now you need to do another one called farm. And this one is also 16 centimeters, but different lengths. So what if I said these 2 sides were 5? How long would that make this side and this side, which would have to be the same because it's a rectangle, to get to 16 perimeter? You've got to figure that out, do a little bit of math in your head there to figure it out, or choose a different number. But they need to add up to 16 altogether. And then let's have a look at this one. You just need to measure up the sides to the nearest centimeter. So I've got this one is about 3, this is about 2, this one's also about 3, and I'm using my ruler or my paper to do this. So just go around and get all of those sides. And then what's the perimeter? And do the same thing over here. I'm having my class switch to centimeters instead of inches because we're using the metric system. So how much is the perimeter of this shape there? And then finally, a little bit of fraction review here at the bottom. Remember, 1/4 of 24 would be 4 groups. So what is, if we put 24 into 4 groups, each group would have 6, right? So one of those groups would be that much, 2/3 of 24. We're splitting 24 into 3 groups. So that's going to be the split. And then 2/3 is 2 of those 3 groups. And same thing for the next one. For 5/8, you need to split 40 into 8 groups. So what's 40 divided by 8? And then how much is 5 of those for that last one? So that's it for this homework, and thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.